And welcome to the Oregon Department of Revenue's tutorial about using our Revenue Online website to submit a payment for payroll taxes via the OTC, also known as Oregon Tax Coupon. Revenue Online is available via the main Department of Revenue webpage at the top right-hand corner, shown here. An OTC payment is intended for businesses doing payroll to make one payment that will apply to any of the Oregon payroll taxes. To submit an OTC payment, you must first log in to your Revenue Online account. If you don't have a Revenue Online account, you will need to register for one first, which is explained in a different video from the Oregon Department of Revenue. After logging into your Revenue Online account, you will see a list of accounts to which you have access. The OTC allows customers to submit their combined payroll quarterly tax payment and direct the funds to the appropriate tax programs. These include for state unemployment, state withholding, TriMet District Excise, Lane Transit District Excise, and Workers' Benefit Fund Assessment, statewide transit tax, and Paid Leave Oregon. The Make OTC payment option can be found on any of your payroll accounts. You might see multiple spots that say Make OTC payment. They all lead to the same spot. By selecting the Make OTC payment option, you can apply a single deposit to multiple programs for the same period. Complete the payment channel information if your account information is not already saved. You can save your bank account information for future use by clicking Yes in the Save This Payment channel for future use. In the Payments section, select a quarter for which that payment is intended to apply. A quarter example would be for fourth quarter 2023. You would select period 12/31/23, then put in the total amount of the payment. In the Oregon Combined Payment Tax section, apply the amounts to each program that needs to be paid. The payment may be for just one program or multiple. Once all sections are complete, submit the deposit. The action will request the password you use to log into Revenue Online for confirmation. Just know that it can take up to 7 days for your payment to post to your account. Thanks for using Revenue Online. Your success in submitting your OTC payment helps the Oregon Department of Revenue to correctly allocate your payment to the correct programs.